Want to make money online? WarriorPlus can help. It's a platform connecting digital product creators with affiliates. Think of it as a marketplace. Creators list products and affiliates promote them to earn commissions. WarriorPlus offers a wide array of products. You'll find ebooks, software, courses, and more. Choose a niche you're passionate about. This makes promoting products more genuine and effective. Why is WarriorPlus so popular? It's simple, it works. The platform provides all the tools you need to succeed. This includes tracking, payment processing, and affiliate support. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting, WarriorPlus offers an opportunity to earn. Dive in, explore, and discover the potential of this dynamic platform. Ready to jump into the world of WarriorPlus? Great. The first step is creating your free account. It's a straightforward process. Visit the WarriorPlus website and click on Sign Up. Fill out the registration form with your details. Make sure to use a valid email address, as you'll receive important notifications. Once you've submitted the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on it to activate your account. Now you can log in and start exploring. Before you dive into product promotion, take some time to complete your profile. Add a professional photo and write a compelling bio. This helps build trust with potential customers. With your account set up, it's time to find profitable products. WarriorPlus offers a vast selection, so it's crucial to be strategic. Start by browsing the marketplace. You can filter products by category, launch date, and gravity. Gravity indicates the product's popularity among affiliates. Look for products with a high conversion rate. This means people are buying it. Check the sales page and affiliate resources. Are they high quality? Don't hesitate to contact the product creator. Ask questions about the product and their support. Building a relationship can lead to greater success. Remember, choosing the right product is crucial. Invest time in research and select something you believe in. Section 4. Guiding the customer journey. The power of a well-crafted sales funnel. Think of a sales funnel like a roadmap, guiding potential customers through a journey. It directs them from the initial point of contact to the final purchase, ensuring they don't get lost along the way. A well-crafted funnel is essential for maximizing your WarriorPlus earnings and achieving financial success. The first stage is awareness, where you capture the attention of your target audience. Attract your target audience through engaging blog posts, eye-catching social media content, or strategic paid advertising campaigns. Pique their interest and drive them to your landing page, where they can learn more. Your landing page is the next crucial step in the funnel. Here you'll capture leads by offering something valuable in exchange for their contact information. This could be a free ebook, a helpful checklist, or an informative video training session in exchange for their email address. Once you have their email, nurture the relationship through consistent and valuable email marketing. Provide valuable content regularly and introduce the product you're promoting in a compelling way. Highlight its benefits clearly and address their pain points effectively. The final stage is the sale, where all your efforts come to fruition. Make it easy for leads to purchase the product through a clear call to action and a seamless, user-friendly checkout process. Section 5. Traffic is king, driving visitors to your WarriorPlus offers. In this section, we'll explore various strategies to attract visitors to your offers and ensure your hard work pays off. You've found a great product and built a compelling sales funnel. But that's just the beginning. Now, you need to drive traffic to your offers. This is where the real challenge begins. Without visitors, your efforts are in vain. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business. One effective method is through content marketing. This involves creating and sharing valuable content to attract and engage your audience. Create valuable blog posts, articles, and videos related to your niche. These should provide useful information and solve problems for your audience. Share them on social media platforms where your target audience hangs out. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. Paid advertising is another option. This can help you reach a larger audience quickly. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads allow you to target specific demographics and interests. This ensures your ads are seen by the right people. This can be costly, but it can also yield quick results. It's important to monitor your ad performance and adjust your strategy as needed. Don't underestimate the power of email marketing. It's a direct way to reach your audience. Build an email list by offering a lead magnet and nurture those subscribers with valuable content. This helps build trust and keeps your audience engaged. Send out regular emails promoting your WarriorPlus offers. Make sure your emails are informative and provide value to your subscribers. Explore different traffic generation strategies and find what works best for you. Experiment with different methods and track your results. The key is to be consistent and patient. Consistency helps build momentum and trust with your audience. Results take time and effort. Stay dedicated to your strategy, and over time, you'll see the fruits of your labor. Section 6. Real people, real success inspiring stories from WarriorPlus entrepreneurs. These are not just stories, they are real-life transformations that showcase the power of determination and the right platform. Skeptical about making money with WarriorPlus? Don't be. It's natural to have doubts, but let these stories dispel your fears. Countless individuals have achieved financial freedom through this platform. They started just like you, with questions and uncertainties. Their stories are inspiring and motivating. Take Sarah, for example. Her journey is a testament to what can be achieved with perseverance. A stay-at-home mom, she was struggling to make ends meet. Then she discovered WarriorPlus, a game-changer for her. She started promoting products in the parenting niche, leveraging her own experiences. Her unique perspective made her promotions authentic and relatable. Within a year, she was earning a full-time income from home. Her story is one of many that show the potential of this platform. Then there's John, a college student with a passion for digital marketing. His story is equally inspiring. He joined WarriorPlus to earn extra cash. What started as a side hustle soon turned into a lucrative venture. Through dedication and hard work, he built a successful affiliate marketing business, earning more than his professors. His success is a testament to the opportunities available. These stories highlight the potential of WarriorPlus. They show that with the right approach, anyone can succeed. With the right mindset, strategy, and effort, you too can achieve financial freedom. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Section 7. Your WarriorPlus adventure awaits. Key takeaways and a call to action. Embarking on your WarriorPlus journey can be both exciting and rewarding. Here are key takeaways to remember. Choose products you're passionate about. Build a strong sales funnel to guide customers. Drive targeted traffic to your offers. Be patient, consistent, and persistent. Success on WarriorPlus doesn't happen overnight. It requires effort, dedication, and a willingness to learn. But with the right approach, you can achieve your financial goals. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for your free WarriorPlus account today and start exploring the world of affiliate marketing. Your journey to online income starts now.